Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my students and my viewers. Today is Friday, and we are with our episode 15 of 3 in 1, doing the letter F. So let us begin with our first word for today. Oh yes, and those who don't know me, my name is Daraksha Aftab, and I make such videos. You can check out the channel and watch the other videos which are there. Okay, so the first word for today is finesse. You saw on the screen, it is, or you're still seeing it, it is finesse. Finesse. Alright? Now, this word means having an impressive delicacy or skill. कोई ऐसा skill या कोई ऐसा talent जो बिल्कुल perfect हो, वो होता है finesse. बिल्कुल perfection के साथ अगर कोई कुछ काम कर सकता है तो उसको बोलते हैं इसका ये चीज में बहुत finesse है. ठीक है? Now this word comes from the French and then English word fine, which then translates into finesse, which means purity, delicacy, something which is pure, which is perfect. That is what the word means. Now, sentences which we can take are: actors like Manoj Vajpayee and Nawazuddin Siddiqui have such finesse in their acting that it appears lifelike. They are such beautiful actors that when they act, it doesn't seem like acting. It seems real. They are actually living it. Alright? Okay. Second sentence which we take today, which is so important because we all miss on this in our lives. And it is, people in today's times don't focus on finessing their skills or talent, but are more interested in the title of a job. So they are more focused on the job, the title, and उस job में करना क्या है? Nothing. People, a lot of them, they do this. That's right. Okay. The second word for today is fastidious. 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 Now this word means having a very strong likeness towards things which are properly arranged, and second meaning which we can take is being very particular about cleanliness. So first is being very particular about detailing of things and accuracy of things. Second, about cleanliness. Examples which we can take of this is because of her fastidious nature, her room is always kept in a very neat and clean manner. Because she's so particular about cleanliness and dirt should not be there and all those things, that her room is always perfectly, properly arranged. Second example we can take, I tried to skip a few steps in arranging the clothes, but because of my mother's fastidious nature, I was caught. Because she was so particular about every particular detail that even if I tried to miss some step, she caught me. Okay. The third word for today is forte. Forte. What does this word mean? It means an ability where a person excels, a strong ability. It somewhat means like finesse, but finesse is the quality of perfecting something. Forte is the ability, the strong ability. एक किसी इंसान का ability उस चीज में वो अच्छा है. And because वो उसका forte है, he has a finesse in that thing. So you can understand how it relates. Now, this word we can make a sentence like, because acting was her forte, she never disappointed anybody with any challenging role she got. Because it was her forte, she wanted to do that and she did that and she excelled at it. Another example we can take, a lot of students in today's times do not pick up their career which are their forte. So there are a lot of students which, because of family pressure, other things, they take up medical. If they don't want to do medical, they take up engineering. If they don't want to do engineering, so they are not really focusing on the forte of their particular individual beings, and because of that they are lacking the finesse which a job requires. जिसको डॉक्टर नहीं बनना है वो डॉक्टर बन गया, फोटे था नहीं तो फिनेस भी नहीं. And that is how these three words, whether it is finesse, whether it is, what was the second word? Fastidious and forte. So all these three words, we know that one thing is there which is perfection, or having a quality to perfect things. That is the similar meaning. So this is all for today. We'll meet again soon. Till then, thank you so much, and try to take up your forte, finesse it, and then might be you'll be fastidious in your daily routine. Okay then, thank you so much.